like that. And let's go right to the center.
You want this one first?
That one.
Right. Oh. There you go. Lined up.
So even with the powerful machine, I'm back to the hand diggers. Just couldn't get the job done. Now it's time to drop the posts inside of the holes and then make sure I'm square and then get them with the quick reet and get them locked in. The posts are in. Now we have to get the concrete going in there. Put in a little bit and then check for plumb. You want to jab that concrete, get those air pockets out of there. Make sure we're still plumb. That is a beautiful thing. Now we just repeat that 3 more times. I want to make sure from this outside corner to my other outside corner is 72 inches because that's how big our platform is going to be, and we want to make sure we're keeping it square. Plumb up each post. Here we go. Everything look okay? So I have my post in and all squared up and improved by Maggie. And then here's my gutter that I need to put my caps on. So when you buy your gutters like straight from the lumber yard, you have to put your own caps on. So we're going to do that right now. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this and come back to see part 2 on setting up this system to make our greenhouse totally independent and self-reliant. I like to see that kind of stuff on YouTube. You know, it's just like seeing different ways for everybody to do stuff. And for us, because water is precious, we want every building to be able to collect its own water. So that was another reason why I went with this design of this greenhouse, because if I had a hoop house or even a like a house looking greenhouse, I would have to run 2 gutters off of both sides, and then it would have been a little more costly. This way I'm getting the full slant of this roof, and I'm going to be able to collect this gutter. So I just put the caulking there, silicone outdoor stuff inside of that crease. Just push it in there real good. Good and tight. And then I always just run a little bead of caulk on the inside as well, just to make sure no water is going to escape from there. You don't want your end cap dripping. The whole idea is to keep all that water in the gutter, direct it right down to the other side where it comes out. So now I'm going to do the other side exactly the same way. I don't think you guys need to see it twice, do you? So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, and don't forget to check back with us probably in the next day or 2. I'll have part 2 of this. You'll see how we're going to brace up the stands so we can put this tank, 550 gallons, and suspend that in air so we can gravity feed and water our garden. So as always, don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And on the next video, we'll also announce the winners of the camera giveaway, and we'll also announce the Homestead Homies of April. So if you're new to our channel, every month we have a prize that we give away. This year for the month we have 2 prizes. One is a big stainless steel bowl from Lehman's, and the other one is a pie plate from Ayers Pottery in Hannibal, Missouri. Don't forget, guys, we're going to be at Baker Creek Spring Planting Festival May 6th and 7th, and we'll also be at Lehman's on June 29th and 30th, and then we'll be in Hannibal, Missouri. Space is going to be limited. More information is coming out, and it's going to be August 12th and 13th. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.